Local 12, the Weather Authority. This is Chief Meteorologist John Gumbs' hour-by-hour forecast.
Here we are again dealing with another massive spring storm system. You can see the spin back here in the Dakotas as this huge low pressure center continues to swirl around. And well ahead of it, you've got severe storms tonight working through lower Michigan. Severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, even a confirmed tornado on the ground right now in lower Michigan, right along this warm front. Those storms continue well to the north of us. They won't impact us. Notice how this line of storms that was coming out of Illinois basically fell apart as it came into Indiana. So our atmosphere remains really not hospitable for storms right now. And that's good news because much of the night remains quiet. But as that cold front gets closer, we could see a few storms pop into the morning. The biggest risk, though, for severe weather is well to our north, northern Indiana, northern Ohio, lower Michigan, although it looks like northern Indiana and northwest Ohio will avoid the worst of the weather tonight. For us, a level 2 to level 1 in our far southeastern counties overnight. This runs through tomorrow morning. You'll see, though, most of the night remains quiet. After 4 o'clock in the morning, though, our modeling shows perhaps a few storms sneaking in across our southern counties. They could potentially be on the stronger side here, but it's more about what's coming late tomorrow that I'm concerned with. So a few spots again across the southern half of the area. Could see a little rain, perhaps a storm rolling through tomorrow morning. We'll keep an eye on that. I did put the yellow light up now, though, for the morning drive for that possibility across the south. Temperatures in the 70s, warm and muggy. And look at this. We're into the mid 80s by tomorrow afternoon. The atmosphere gets unstable. And unlike today, we don't have that protective cap over our heads suppressing storm development. That held tight today and kept the storms out of here. And unfortunately for concert goers tomorrow night at TQL, we're expecting storms in the area. Don't cancel your plans, but know where you're going to go when severe weather moves in, because it will move in. Same deal at the Reds game tomorrow night. If they try to get this in, I think it's going to be tough. Know where you're going to go in the event of severe weather tomorrow evening. There's the moderate risk in southern Indiana, western Kentucky, back into Illinois and Missouri. They may need to expand this a little more to the northeast by tomorrow morning. Most of us in a level 3 or enhanced risk. You've got that moderate risk or 4 to the southwest. It does cover parts of Carroll, Owen, and Ripley counties right now. They may scoot that a little farther to the north. Damaging winds, by and large, it's the biggest threat we're going to face tomorrow. But there's a flooding threat. There's a large hail threat, maybe 2 inches in diameter or greater. And yes, there is a tornado threat. And the Storm Prediction Center says that in this yellow shaded area, there's better than 10% chance that we could see an EF2 or greater within 25 miles of any one point. So we need to keep an eye on that. The wind threat, the highest threat we face, the hail threat highest across the western half of the area. So 6 to 8, our arrival time out west, 7 to 9 in the middle, and 8 to 10 out east. Let's share our modeling as we move through the morning. Again, can't rule out a shower or storm across the south through the morning. Afternoon, windy. We're talking temperatures into the mid 80s. And then look at these storms developing. This is around 6 o'clock. These storms could be supercell thunderstorms, the kind of storms that spin that may try to produce tornadoes. The latest modeling has these coming up through parts of southeastern Indiana, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, maybe clipping southwest Ohio. Then we deal with the main line. That's 8 o'clock. We stop it at 9. There it is, getting into the metro. By 10, moving southeast to Cincinnati. By 11, starting to push out of our area. By midnight, the severe threat's over. But along that line, winds of over 70 miles an hour are possible, and spin-up tornadoes are possible, as well as large hail. So this is serious. I don't like what I'm saying here tonight, folks. Be prepared. Don't be scared about this. Have the Weather Authority app. Have multiple ways to get severe weather alerts tomorrow. There's your 10-day. We've got it shaded in red tomorrow because of the threat. 85 severe storms late. 75 Saturday. The rain's out of here. It's windy, though, Saturday. And then Sunday, we're quiet. 76. Late Monday, though, some rain's back. Could see a few more storms Tuesday, Wednesday. Maybe some lingering showers around Thursday. Our team will be here tomorrow, keeping you updated on TV, online, and on social media.